How to find PhotoWall on your Likee app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to find your PhotoWall. So first thing, go to your Likee app. Once you are there, click on me at the bottom to go to your profile. Once you are here, click on edit and scroll down. You're gonna find more information. In here, you're gonna find photo well, which is the last option, and you can click to delete or choose another picture and the long press to drag can change the order. The first picture will become your avatar by default. Now this is how you can use photo well. Hope this video was helpful for you guys. If it was, please don't forget to subscribe and like.